I expect it to be quite hard. We've got sort of 2 climbs per lap, and it's expected to be quite strung out and explosive, I guess, each lap. So positioning will be very important. It'll be nice to race on, I guess, my new home roads, if you will. So it's nice to sort of race in a place that I'm relatively familiar with. Lots of teams that I'm sort of getting to know, getting to understand how they race. So it'll be good to battle it out in Kranj today. I feel great. The team's been amazing so far. I've already been here for over a month. It's gone really quickly. The team's awesome. The staff are great. My teammates are really nice. They're great to race with. They're supportive. So I feel at home with the team, and I'm super excited for today and for the rest of the season.